In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Whiteboard in Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet in your web browser and enter your meeting as you normally would. You can do this by joining an existing meeting link or starting a new meeting. Once you are inside the meeting, take a moment to look at the main meeting controls along the bottom area of the screen. This is where Google Meet keeps the tools you will use during a call. Next, click on the option labeled Highlight. This is the feature area in Meet that brings attention to interactive tools and add-ons you can use while you are presenting or collaborating. After selecting Highlight, you are going to open the add-on menu so you can access the Whiteboard option. Now click on Add-ons. This opens a panel that lets you connect extra tools to your meeting. Add-ons are helpful for collaboration because they allow everyone in the meeting to work together in real time without needing to leave the call. From the Add-ons panel, click on Browse the Marketplace. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that work with Google Meet. Give the page a second to load fully so you can see the search bar clearly. When you see the search field, type in Highlight. As you type, you may see suggestions or related results appear. Look through the results until you find the add-on called Collaborative Whiteboard. Click on Collaborative Whiteboard to open it. This is the tool that provides a shared whiteboard experience inside your Meet session. It is designed for group brainstorming, quick sketches, explanations, and visual planning, especially when speaking alone is not enough. Once you have selected the Collaborative Whiteboard option, click on Highlight again within the interface to confirm you are working in the correct tool area. Then click the chevron right icon, which looks like a right-pointing arrow. This action proceeds into the whiteboard experience so it can open and be ready for use. After the whiteboard is active, you can begin collaborating visually while staying in your meeting. That covers everything you need to know.